to reshape your straight line to the curved line. And the ruler touches again half an inch mark, quarter of an inch mark, middle of the neckline. Then you're reshaping your neck. So this line becomes the curve now, and it matches the curve of your back neckline. Okay?
How would we know that it actually does match that curve?
Say it again.
How do we determine that it really matches?
When you're sewing.
Okay.
When
And
you're sewing.
you extend it past the neckline, the 3 and 3.
Whatever your neckline measurements.
So you make that line.
From the shoulder seam. So from the shoulder seam to the center back, that's the shoulder seam to the center back. So this is what you have on the back neckline. Okay?
So
Yeah.
this is the only thing I'm hung up on.
Okay, so your ruler goes with a 3 3/4 inch mark to the neckline, shoulder intersection where the 1/4 inch adjusted mark was placed. So 1/4 inch was added to the neckline measurement. That is, yeah. So we need to take that off from here to fit your neckline with the ease into the neck of the collar. Right?
So this is literally just falling down and touching the curve.
Middle of
There's
the
no
neckline.
measurement.
No.
Okay.
It just
that's not-
touches the neck.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So the neckline is created. The center back collar has been created now. So pay attention to the center back. It is at the right angle on both ends. Neckline 90 degree, collar edge 90 degree. Okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to decide how wide is your collar according to the design you have. You're going to match your ruler. You're going to put your ruler to match your shaped neckline and extend the line for the center back. It's the right angle between the neckline and the center back. Okay? So let's say that whatever I decided to have, my collar will be, let's say, 3.5 inches, whatever you decided. Okay, so my stand was 1 inch. I will take probably 2 inches for the formula and then add 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, so just in between those numbers. Now I need to draw my collar edge, right? So I would probably go and make it less, 2.5 inches. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I will make 3 inches maximum for my 1 inch stand. 3.5 is too much. Okay?
Because it's an inch for a stand and then another inch for the
Roll.
and a half. Right?
So now that I have my neckline, I have my center back, right, for the collar. All I need to do is to draw my collar edge. So this is 90 degree angle. This is supposed to be 90 degree angle, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw about 1 inch of the line at the 90 degree angle, and then I will connect these two lines together and my collar is drafted. So if I want to check if my collar is interpreted correctly from the sketch, from the design, I will put this over again, and I will check myself on the fork, or I will just go and have this collar to be extended flat. Now, do you see the collar edges curved? Do I have a curve there?
Yeah. No?
No.
No, my curve is out. I need to scoop. It's an inverted curve. So what I need to do is I need to scoop a little bit. So on the back I'm okay. It's on the front when the collar edge has to be slightly scooped. See, I'm trying to interpret as close as possible. So those are the details you need to pay attention, because when I start checking your map, I will ask for your sketch. Right? If anything is not matching, then you need to make your corrections, but you need to learn how to draft it from the scratches. Right. Okay? So that's my color. Yeah.
Measure that. What was the measurement again?
Which measurement?
From this point to this point.
This is your back neckline measurement, and it
3.5?
equals what you have on your slipper.
So that's 3.5 inches, not 3 1/4. Right?
It's 3.5
Plus,
Just to make sure.
plus quarter inch ease.
So 3
But that's the 1/4 inch here. This should have been just a 3.5. Or
Plus quarter inch ease.
so you're
Yeah,
doing 3
just
3/4, 3 3/4 up also.
You are
That's
just
to
in
help fit
quarter
it
of
in
an
there.
inch away from the neckline shoulder intersection.
Yeah, I get that.
Mark quarter an inch, and then your neckline was 3.5
Yeah.
plus quarter becomes 3 3/4.
So you go up 3 3/4. Okay. I don't know why I thought you said you went up 3 1/4. Maybe I didn't hear 3 3/4.
You will get used to my accent.
I can
Okay.
get used to my own.
So then I will get used to yours. Now the collar and the lapel have to have the similar notch, so you're notching them just like this. So on the collar, this notch will indicate where your collar edge will be sewn to, right? From which point to which point. When it's been constructed, this notch will help you to attach your collar to the lapel. Are you with me? All right, so now let's collar code. So this is going to be my neckline on the jacket. See, my neckline is adjusted now. It will start from quarter an inch.
Quick question.
Yes.
What would you call this line right there?
Which one?
That line,
It's a collar edge.
collar edge.
This is center back. This is collar neckline. This is collar point. Okay. So now I'm going to use my ruler, all my correct rulers, to shape my neckline. So I'm going for the orange over the lapel because it's a part of my bodice, right? It's a part of my jacket. And I will go with the different color. I would like to have some different color for the.
You have a green over there.
The green is going to be left for. I have a blue for the
And a
lining.
blue.
Okay, I have blue here. All right. So center that.
That curve is to create the shape of the shoulder kind of right where it lays.
Say it again.
Yeah. It's fake the curve.
But that's all. Again, that's all your. That's up to you for your design.
Okay, so this neckline on the collar will be marked with the broken lines, okay? So this is the notch on the lapel, and this is the notch on the collar.
So the collar will be a separate piece when we get
Yes,
to
of
it.
course. It's sewn in collar, but it has to be drafted. All right, so do you see how much we adjusted the front neckline? It has to be adjusted on the back. So how much we adjusted? Quarter an inch. Make sure that you remember to adjust that, otherwise your shoulders will match. I go in a quarter, and I will take this. Oh my God.
Yeah, 9.
All right, we're almost done. I'm going to go over the shell collar and we're done. The shell color will take us a few minutes. So this is out then. This is a quarter inch. Okay? Are you with me?
Yes.
All right, so now here we're adding a notch on the collar, which is going to be your shoulder notch. So this notch on the collar will match with your shoulder seam when the collar is attached to the neckline. Okay, so that's the center back, and the collar we just drafted will be the top collar. So put that top collar. There is an under collar which is on the bias, and it's two-piece collar, I hope. Yeah, it's a two-piece collar. All right, so the break point will be notched. Okay, so where else we're notching?